Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Tacoma compilation here at 88 Rotors Offroad. We have a third generation cement gray that we're installing a King suspension setup on here. King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks all around with some Camburg tubular delta joint upper control arms. The rear gets an add-a-leaf system from Deaver. And with our body mount chop, we're able to clear some 285/70/17 on some aggressive wheels. These are 17x9 SSW Raptor wheels. You can clear these tires with a different wheel spec, but unfortunately with the 17x9 -12, a BMC was needed. If you guys are new to the channel, then please consider subscribing. We are a shop out here in the city of Baldwin Park, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. We stock a ton of off-road and overland accessories and parts for most popular truck brands and models. But as you can see, for some reason, we attract a lot of Toyota trucks. So if you're not local to us but want to order some parts, check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We ship same or next business day all the time. Or if you're local and want to schedule an appointment to get some stuff picked up or installed, give us a call or message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. This long bed Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4 is complete. We're bringing it out for a quick test drive now before we hand the keys back over to our customer. Been wanting to order a lift kit online, but you're not sure of what parts to get to complete the package? No problem. Check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We help you take the guesswork out of what you need to order. We have pre-packaged lift kits, pre-assembled, and pre-adjusted for the perfect ride height, which is still within spec also. So if you're looking for a lift kit for your vehicle and want everything ready to be installed as soon as you receive it, 88rotorsoffroad.com is where you need to be. Are you guys a big fan of the 4th generation Tacoma? Well, if you follow us on social media, whether it's here or Instagram, then you must know that we're big fans of them. We love the 4-cylinder turbo and especially the iForce Max motor that we have in our Tacoma TRD Pro. Well, here's a TRD Sport 4th generation Tacoma that's in for a Westcott Designs preload collar lift kit. We installed that with a set of 285/75/17 needle ridge grapplers that we wrapped on a Method race wheel. This is the MR318 in a gloss black finish. Everybody wanted to upsize their tires on the 3rd generation Tacoma, and there was always a lot of work that needed to be done. So Toyota listened. The 4th generation made it very easy. We can clear 285/70/17 stock on it. But here, we did a slight lift and cleared a 285/75/17, which is considered a 34. And it clears perfectly with very minimal modifications. This is Toyota's popular underground color. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below and let us know. Was it worth it for them to discontinue all the other grays and keep it only underground? We know that all the other grays were very popular. Magnetic gray metallic, cement gray, and of course even the lunar rock with that light tint of gray has been discontinued and replaced. We are a stocking dealer and installer for Westcott Designs. We have these preload collar lift kits for the 4th generation Tacoma always in stock. Available for the SR5, the TRD Sport, and the TRD Off-Road models. This Tacoma is now complete. Preload collar lift kit is on with the wheels and tires. We're going to bring it out for a quick test drive now. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Next up, we have a magnetic gray metallic Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4. This one just came in for a Bilstein 5100 setup. We installed it with a set of Old Man Emu front lift springs on here with some SPC ball joint upper control arms. The rear did get our Deaver add-a-leaf, and we did a body mount chop so we can clear some more aggressive wheels and tires. These right here are the SCS Ray 10s in a 17x8.5 size with the -10 offset. We ran a 285/70/17 tire on this one. We are not a reseller of SCS wheels. They are a direct-to-consumer brand, so you can always order them from their website if you're interested. And next up, we have another 4th generation underground color Tacoma. This is a TRD Off-Road model. All 4th generation TRD Off-Roads come in 4x4. This truck is in for a Westcott Designs preload collar lift kit with rear coil spacer. We're installing some Method MR305 double black wheels on this one in a 17x8.5 size with a +25 offset. We're wrapping it up in a 285/75/17 tire. Tech is now notating all tire positions on the vehicle and safely putting the vehicle up on the rack. Once it goes up, all 4 wheels and tires come off so we can remove the TPMS sensors and install them onto the new wheels. Our suspension techs will jump right in and remove the factory suspension components, where we will modify and add the Westcott Designs preload collar and rear coil spacer. Our tech is now removing the tire pressure monitoring system sensors and swapping it onto the new 17 by 8.5 plus 25 Method MR305 double blacks that you see right here. Tire of choice on this one is the Falken Wild Peak AT4W. This is a new tire that just came out this year from Falken that's been a hot seller. To install the Westcott Designs preload collar, we have to disassemble the front springs and shocks. If you're doing this job alone at home, by yourself, or with a friend, please be very careful. It's very dangerous to disassemble a spring and shock combo. The Westcott setup has been installed. Wheels and tires are going on now. Vehicle is going to be brought down to the ground and all 4 wheels and tires will be torqued down to spec. We're all set, so let's bring this Tacoma out for a quick test drive in our parking lot and down the cul-de-sac. We have lots of 4th generation Tacoma parts in stock, from Westcott Design lift kits, Icon suspension setups, King shocks, Camburg upper control arms, a lot of the good stuff, wheels, tires, rock sliders. We also have roof racks in stock, bumpers, skid plates, all the good stuff. Ton of lighting for them also. So if you're looking for a shop to work on your 4th generation and has lots of experience with them, you found the right place. We have a TRD Offroad of our own, the white one that you see back there, and a Terracolor 2024 Tacoma TRD Pro. We have links in the description if you want to see the build-outs of those 2 vehicles. Next up, we have a 3rd generation silver-colored Tacoma TRD Offroad 4x4. This one is in for a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series coilover and shock setup with DSC. We paired it up with a Fox Orange Elevate Uniball upper control arm setup and a rear Deaver add-a-leaf system. We're also doing a TRD Pro style grille on this one. For the wheels and tires on this taco, we're going with a set of Method MR312s. It's a 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset wheel that we wrapped in a 285/70/17 BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO2 tire. The Fox suspension lift, Method MR312 wheels, and the KO2 tires have been installed. The vehicle is being brought down to the ground now, and we'll torque all 4 wheels and tires down to spec. We're going to finish up the front end by installing a TRD Pro style grille with a TSS garnish, and we're installing some indicator lights in amber for it. Some of you guys may know those as so-called Raptor lights. And I apologize, I may have called this a TRD Offroad earlier, but just noticed the hood scoop on it. This is actually an Access Cab TRD Sport 4x4. Well, thank you very much for tuning in today, guys. We greatly appreciate it, as always, here at 88 Rotors. Please make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share the video if you like what you see here today. We hope to catch you on the next video. Until then, take care, guys.